Our International Trade Administration, which is represented by our commercial service people here in both the bilateral embassy activity and at the EU, is heading an energy efficiency initiative to coordinate at state and federal incentives for energy efficiency and promote the adoption and deployment of energy efficient technologies and services. So as you step back, sometimes many people see that the U.S. and the EU are competitors in these fields, but in reality, we can do much more together to make our companies more competitive and innovative, and again, to get leverage off of that long-standing, successful alliance that I alluded to earlier. From our perspective, our technologies cannot succeed either practically or economically unless we have open markets, unless we protect intellectual property and avoid unnecessarily disrupting trade and investment. The IP part is important because no one's going to make that investment if there's no downstream opportunity for assurance that what is created can be protected in order to protect that investment and to fuel future investment. So we're looking at a lot of those areas, not only on our side, but certainly with the tech and through the transatlantic business dialogue to figure out whether it's on the innovation line or the IP or standards and procedures, how do we pull all of that together and again get the leverage off of our respective areas. The EU and the US, again, are natural allies in these areas. We both believe in the importance of commercializing and deploying emerging technologies. We respect intellectual property rights as an incentive for innovation, and we believe in the need to have a level playing field born of an open, competitive market philosophy. So the question is, how do we leverage that experience to do it more effectively and in a way that allows us to generate jobs and improve the quality of the life of our citizens? It is for this reason that the Department of Commerce and the European Commission are intent on substantially reinvigorating our collaboration on innovation. And as we develop an innovation action partnership, in fact we changed the name from innovation dialogue to innovation action partnership. And I underline action because the presumption is that if you use that word, something's going to get done. It's not going to just be talking about what we're going to do, it's going to do what we talked about. So, we're going to continue to work closely with the U.S. and the EU Intellectual Property Rights Working Group, the High-Level Regulatory Cooperation Forum, and the U.S. Energy Council to bring all of this together for our mutual benefit.